Kate with WTI. I have always wanted to try embroidery, but I've always been a little hesitant because I have no idea what I'm doing. But look at this, thanks to REEWISLY's embroidery kit, I am actually creating a beautiful piece of embroidery art. So I am still working on this one, but I have to say I am having so much fun. This embroidery kit is really wonderful. I think that speaking as a total beginner, it is really nice for a beginner to try their hand at embroidery. It comes with 4 different patterns for you to embroider, along with 2 rings. So I think that's really great because you can be working on a couple of different projects at the same time and not have to worry about switching out the ring. Or if you want, you can actually work on this along with a friend, which I think would be really fun. So this is just such a fantastic place to start. I really appreciate that they do provide instructions. So if you're a total beginner like me, I didn't feel so scared. It's still a little bit of a learning curve, and I, of course, am making a few mistakes, but it's all very correctable. So nothing feels like I'm gonna ruin it. It's very user-friendly. And the patterns themselves are so beautiful. So I'm really excited when I finish this. I'm gonna have a piece of artwork, and I have 3 others, so I can give them away as well when I finish embroidering them. I was able to get started in just a few minutes. The instructions make it really easy to get set up and start embroidering, and I find this to be so relaxing. It's really nice to be able to do at the end of the day, something a little different than just kind of sitting in front of the TV and vegging out. I think that this would make a really nice gift for someone, or if you've always wanted to try embroidery, or you want to have a little embroidery night, you and a friend, this is the perfect kit to get you started. I think that you are gonna love this too. Definitely check it out, but that's just my point of view.